Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are going to learn some new vocabulary related to elections. Let's begin with the word referendum. Referendum is a direct vote by the people on an important issue. Then we have the word coalition, which means when two or more political parties come together to form a government. Then we have manifesto. A manifesto is a written promises by the political party before an election. Then nomination is a process to become a candidate. Then we have the word landslide victory. That means winning the election by huge margin. And then we have the word polling day, the day when people actually go for the vote. I hope this word will help you to understand more about elections in English. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.